Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huan Invention Grade, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales. Today we will teaching Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales Replication Knowledge target for yourself protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions is consist of 40 different actions, total of 8 Golden International Daily Actions, original education video courses. About brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales and Golden International Daily Actions. For participating to learn and obtain effect and so on, we already put on the following after the teaching video. Please everyone must watch and read carefully. Now, we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. Last class, we teach this action, hand action, leg action, and connect action. Many people ask how many quantity we need to do each day for this action. Good question. We give correct answer is 10 times. Shall we do more? No, you cannot do more. You just keep 10 times enough each day. Because after our many years, a few decades, deeply research and back practice, we got a final conclusion is one action cannot do more. If you do more, maybe will hurt your body inside some parts or organ. Hurt your parts or organ. That's what we don't want, right? Everybody wants to save, protect the health. So just keep 10 times one day enough. Shall we do this? Somebody also asked. Of course, especially for beginner. You just join, you can do, you can practice, you can address action, make it correct. So you can do less. However, when you get professional, we also ask you to do 10 times for each day in order to protect your health. Before we do the 10 times each day, we need to know, everybody remember a couple of things. Number one, the feet touch floor should lightly, cannot make any sound. Number two, that action is bigger complication, big, and move bigger. So the feet down, 2 feet form T-shape, cannot make that way, must T-shape for good standing. Number three, the leg raised must keep the high. Cannot do that way, okay? And the feet must keep that. Cannot do that. And knee cross past the human center line. And keep your body upright. Always keep your body upright. And avoid leaning forward or backward. And hand as straight as possible. And also straight. And cross. Shoulder high Cannot do that, no. Only one way, shoulder high. Correct. Shoulder high needle. Okay? And back as close as body. Then move side with body one flat. And here, ear side, top, center line. Make your leg straight. Cannot do that way. Okay? Yes. And also, we need to count. Choose the two different language. English, Han. Somebody say, excuse me, why we should choose two language to count? Good question. We give your answer is, we want to protect, track, and long, because long track need everyday protect and far away broadcasts, pandemic, and many diseases. Somebody also asked, excuse me, I cannot speak Han. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you come from Japan. You can choose English and Japan language. That's also two different languages. We just require you to choose two different language to count. Of course, eyes should look straight, smiling your face, and head think, make the action correct. Okay, now everybody follow me to do the 10 times quantity, 10 times. One, 一 one, 一 two, 二 two, 二 three, 三 three, 三 four, 四 four, 四 five, 五 five, 五 six, 六 six, 六 seven, 七 seven, 七 eight, 八 eight, 八 nine, 九 nine, 九 ten, 十 ten, 十 Very good. Some people ask, excuse me, my leg cannot raise high. Doesn't matter. The reason is your leg lose power. So, don't worry, we give you some action instead of step by step and get your leg power back. First of all, you can do that action Big toe, second toe, touch floor. Another action, same. Then, also big toe, second toe. Look at this side. And after 1 month, maybe 2 months, your leg got a bit of power, so you can do that way. Look at this side. And 1 month, 2 months later, your leg got a bit bigger power, so you can do that way. Raise a bit high. Look this side. And after maybe 6 months or even more, because everybody different. So absolutely you can do correct. Look the side. Yes, absolutely you can do. Somebody also asked, cannot touch. That's no big deal because your arm maybe not tight, you're not too tight, cannot catch point. So either way, there's action everybody can do, right? So make a little. And after 10 days, 20 days, either months, and another month, and another month, finally, you can do that. Just be careful, neck cannot make that neck down, straight, always keep neck straight. And that's with the body one side, cannot do that. Yes. Action, not a complication. Not a complication. Absolutely, you can do. Just need step by step, trust yourself. Then, knowledge, knowledge. We change. Protect your health, own health, easy. At home, you can do Golden International Daily Actions, total 40 kind of different actions. Every day, you can enjoy your happy life. Far away, bronchitis, pandemic, any diseases. Enjoy yourself a wonderful life.